In a small town named Progressville, there lived a young inventor named Timmy. Timmy was known for his curious mind and his love for tinkering with machines. One day, he found an old, rusty press lying in the basement of his grandfather's workshop. Timmy thought, what if I could make this press more efficient? It could help many people in our town. He started to study the press, learning about its mechanics, strengths, and weaknesses. Days turned into weeks, and Timmy worked tirelessly on his project. He researched, experimented, and even had a few setbacks. But each time, he picked himself up and continued to press on. One day, after many trials and errors, Timmy finally managed to upgrade the press. It could now press more materials in less time, making it a valuable tool for many jobs in the town. However, the success brought its own challenges. The press started to attract attention from other towns, and soon, Timmy found himself overwhelmed with orders. He felt the pressure of producing more and more, but he knew he couldn't let it affect the quality of his work. Timmy realized that while progress was important, it was equally important to maintain quality and balance. So, he made a decision. He would only take orders he could handle, and he would spend time with his friends and family. In the end, Timmy's press became a symbol of Progressville. It represented not just progress, but also balance and quality. Timmy learned that progress should never be at the cost of quality or personal well-being. And so, Timmy continued to invent, always remembering the lessons he learned from the press. He knew that in the pursuit of progress, it was essential to maintain a steady pace, to balance efficiency with quality, and to never forget the importance of personal growth and relationships.